For thousands of Canadians, the prospect of owning a home can sometimes feel unreachable. But it doesn't have to be. A new way to invest towards making that dream a reality is now available with the Questrade Tax-Free First Home Savings Account, or FHSA. The FHSA is a registered savings account designed to help Canadians save for their first home. Once open, you can contribute up to $8,000 per year, up to a lifetime contribution limit of $40,000. You can use your FHSA to invest in assets like stocks, ETFs, and more, giving your FHSA the opportunity to grow beyond the $40,000 contribution limit. To open a first home savings account, you must be a Canadian resident, 18 years of age or older, and considered a first-time homebuyer. This means either you or your partner or spouse have not owned a home you lived in this year or in the previous 4 calendar years. FHSAs combine the benefits of RRSPs and TFSAs to help Canadians invest and save money for a down payment. The benefits of an FHSA come down to 3 key components. Contributions are tax-deductible, like an RRSP. Withdrawals are tax-free, like a TFSA, if they go towards the purchase of a first home. Growth from investments in an FHSA are also tax-free. Open a Questrade self-directed account or a pre-built Quest Wealth portfolio today and save for your down payment faster. Take your first step toward making your dream of home ownership a reality. Take hold of tomorrow.